morning to my lovely students of class 5th. I had already explained you this chapter, my dear students. Hope you all had watched my video and understood the concept given in the chapter. A treat for mosquitoes. This is the name of the chapter, as you know. And continuation of the exercises now. But before that, we should know what is given in the chapter in short. We have learnt in this chapter that the importance of hygiene in and around, and also the precautionary measures to be followed. Now this is exercise number 4. Name the following. You have to write any two answers. You can write my answers also, and you can write your own answers also. Number 1. Diseases caused by mosquito. We have to write the name of the diseases which are caused by mosquito. First one is dengue. Learn to pronounce this word. This is dengue. Dengue is also known as break-bone fever and is a mosquito-borne infection. The symptoms of dengue is when the people get high fever, headache, muscle, joint pain. And malaria also we are having fever, but the fever, we are shivering when we are getting the fever. And we sweat also and we feel like vomiting. Second one is diseases spread by flies. First one is cholera, second one is typhoid. These both are bacterial infectious disease which leads to dehydration. And the bacteria reaches to gallbladder, lungs and kidney. Why the people get it? When we are eating food or when we are drinking the water which has bacteria in it. So we get these both diseases which is caused by flies. As flies sit on food and we get infected. Third one is iron-rich foods. First one is green leafy vegetables. Some of the green leafy vegetables are spinach, beet greens and lettuce. Second one is green peas. These both iron-rich foods increase our hemoglobin, and it is very useful when we are getting the disease anemia. Fourth one is plants growing on the side or in water. These two are mosses and algae. Learn to pronounce this word. This is algae. Mosses are small green seedless plants, and where it grows in the area which lack large amount of moisture. Moisture means tiny drops of water in the air or on the surface or in the ground. Now this is algae. Algae is also a simple non-flowering aquatic plant. It resides in ocean, lakes, ponds. Next exercise is true or false. My dear children, when the statement is true, you will write true. When it is false, you will write false. For this, you have to read the question very carefully. Now, number 1. Anemia affects both physical and mental health. It is true. As I have already told you when I have explained the chapter, when a person is suffering from anemia, his or her energy level gets down because of less in hemoglobin. So this statement is true. Next one is malaria cannot be diagnosed with blood test. No. Only by blood test we can know a person is suffering from malaria. And after the blood test, your blood is examined under the microscope. Then only you get the report that you are suffering from malaria or not. So this statement is false. Now next one, fever with chills. Chills means shivering, and rigors. Rigors is a certain feeling of cold with shivering. Is a symptom of malaria. Yes, it's true. When we get both these symptoms, it means a person is suffering from malaria. So this statement is true. Next one, we should keep the surrounding clean by throwing garbage in front of our house. It's false. How can your surrounding be clean when you throw the garbage in front of your house or anywhere? So this statement is false because this will not help you to live a healthy life. So you must teach others also. The garbage must be thrown in the proper place, that is dustbin. So this statement is false. Fifth, plants like mosses, liverworts do not grow by themselves. It is false, as liverworts and mosses grows by themselves using the nutrients found in the water and energy from the sun, and they reproduce very quickly, so they grow by themselves. So this statement is false. Sixth one, Nagar Nigam is responsible for providing necessary community services. Community means group of people living in the same place. So Nagar Nigam provides the services like public health, sanitation, educational institution, housing, transport, collecting property tax, etc. So Nagar Nigam is responsible to provide all these facilities. So this statement is true. So my dear students, today I have explained you question number 4 and 5. That is, name the following and true or false. After completing your assignments neatly, learn the assignments, as your first term exams will begin in the month of September. If you have any queries regarding any chapter, you can text me. So have a wonderful day. Thank you. God bless you all.